What if I told you that the freedom of van life just got a serious upgrade? Meet the 2026 Winnebago EKKO 23B, a rugged all-wheel drive micro motorhome designed to bridge the gap between nimble Class B vans and spacious Class C coaches. If you've been rolling around in a Class B and find yourself wishing for a bit more room without sacrificing off-grid capabilities, built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis, the EKKO 23B brings serious performance with its turbo diesel engine pumping out 208 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. And because it's all-wheel drive, you can tackle remote campsites and rough terrain with confidence. As you walk around the exterior, one of the first things you'll notice is the extended batwing awning, perfect for setting up a shaded lounge area or escaping a sudden downpour. It's a practical feature that turns your outdoor space into a real hangout zone. The coach we're looking at today is outfitted with a generator and a powerful 630 amp-hour Lithionics lithium battery, which is double the standard size. That kind of power means more time off-grid without worry. And Winnebago didn't skimp on the build quality either. Each exterior compartment door is precision cut from the sidewall itself and is nearly 2 inches thick for better insulation and durability. The compression latches add a secure, high-end feel. Moving further down, there's a cleverly designed grey water pump system directly beneath the shower. This sensor-activated pump detects water flow and kicks in only when needed, moving the water up to your grey tank, far more efficient than relying on gravity alone. Above that, you'll find the cassette-style toilet. It's mounted like a suitcase on wheels, and with its slide latch system, it's clean, easy to handle, and mess-free. It's those thoughtful touches that really make a difference when you're living on the road. Nearby, you'll spot the exhaust outlet for the Truma furnace system. And if you're looking to add even more solar power, there's a port in the back designed for a portable suitcase solar panel. There's also a wet bay with a built-in patio light so you're not fumbling around in the dark when handling hookups at night. But one of the EKKO's standout exterior features is the gear garage. This large rear storage space is climate-controlled with heating vents and even has MOLLE panels for attaching helmets, carabiners, or outdoor gear, keeping everything neat and easy to grab. Above the rear, Winnebago includes a roof access ladder, although you won't be storing much up top, but the ladder comes in handy for maintenance or cleaning. On the passenger side, you'll find the interchangeable propane tanks. No more driving around looking for a fill station. Just swap them out like your grill tank at home. It's flexible, it's fast, and its RV life is made easy. The screen door is another smart design. Winnebago replaced the traditional mesh with a pet-proof wire design that resembles chain link. So whether it's your dog's paws or your gear brushing against it, you won't have to worry about tears. Inside the entryway, you'll find all the core controls. One-touch awning controls, your battery readout, and overhead, a control center with your solar charger display, inverter switch, tank monitors, and power management. In the living area, there's a highly versatile dining table. It can slide, swivel, and rotate however you need, and when not in use, it stows easily in the back. You can also move seat cushions around to create a comfortable workspace. ideal for digital nomads or RVers working on the road. Overhead, there's a single TV flanked by deep storage compartments, one of which includes a 110-volt outlet and HDMI port. Plug in your game console, DVD player, or streaming stick. It's road entertainment made simple. Now into the kitchen, and the upgrades keep coming. You get a 12-volt compressor fridge and freezer, which runs efficiently off your battery bank and solar system. Unlike its cousin, the EKKO 22A, built on the Ford Transit chassis, this model doesn't have a 2-burner gas cooktop. Instead, you get a removable induction cooktop, freeing up counter space and giving you flexibility to cook indoors or out. There's also a deep stainless steel sink, a convection microwave, and cabinets that you can adjust to fit your needs. Next up is the bathroom, and here's where it gets interesting. This isn't your typical wet bath setup. When configured as a shower, there's still plenty of headroom and breathing space. It feels open and more usable than what you'd expect in a coach this size. Moving into the rear bedroom, both beds lift on gas struts, offering hidden storage below that can be accessed from the top or by sliding out the drawers. Overhead, more cabinets line the walls. The bed layout is currently configured as twins, but it easily converts into a queen or king size, offering maximum flexibility whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with a friend. So, the 2026 Winnebago EKKO 23B is a rugged, off-grid ready micro motorhome with luxury touches, tech-forward systems, and a layout that truly maximizes every inch. Whether you're camping in the mountains or parked lakeside with no hookups in sight, the EKKO is built to go farther, stay longer, and live freer. Click on the next video on your screen for another amazing RV video. Thanks for watching.